Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Scorpios. If you want more clarity in your circumstances, guys, Scorpios, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have stars, moon, and snake. So, Scorpios, in your circumstances today, guys, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you have a lot of dreams, goals for yourself, guys, for your life. Maybe you are dreaming of a happy life with this person you love, making plans, having a lot of fantasy, dreams about that. Or maybe in your work, you have a lot of ambitions, goals you need to reach. But there is someone in your work, guys, or maybe in your personal life. So, this person has evil intentions towards you. So, they pose as your friend or as your family member, but their intentions are not good. You need to be really careful with this person, guys, because they are trying to use your talents, use your skills and efforts to benefit themselves, and they may try to involve you in some fraudulent activities. Maybe they may try to tempt you into something and make you go through a difficult time. So, this person is really jealous or envious of you. That may be the reason they are trying to do something against you, guys, Scorpios. So, if you have someone like that, or if you have if you feel that you cannot trust someone in your circumstances, Scorpio, you need to stay away from this person, guys, because they are quite jealous and they do not like the way things are going with you, and they may try to pull you down, guys. Though you are someone putting in a lot of efforts, having a lot of skills and talents, Scorpios, you are working confidently, and this person may affect your confidence and health, affect your peace of mind. So, you need to be really careful with them. So, in this relationship, maybe with this person you love, you have a lot of dreams or a lot of fantasies about them, you are planning for that. But maybe for some of you, if you have someone against this relationship, maybe there is this person who simply envies you or jealous of you for you being with this person, and they are trying to ruin this relationship. So, if that is the case, guys, you need not worry, Scorpios, because with this card here, these stars, you can be happy that things will fall into place and no one can do anything against you in this relationship or in your life. So, they may be doing something, but it is not going to affect you. That is what I mean. So, for your relationship, we have tree, guys. So, it just means that you are building a beautiful, honest relationship with this person, strong foundation for this relationship. You are trying to have a positive, meaningful relationship, working towards that better understanding between each other. So, things are going in a very positive way, and it may be your karma or destiny that is the reason for this relationship, and this person may be your soulmate, guys. That is the reason they are here with you right now in this life, in this particular circumstance. So they are your soulmate, Scorpios. That is the reason for their presence in your life. And this relationship has a very, what to say, a great history. So you would have felt a great familiarity when you met them even at the first time. So it just means that you have known them in your previous lives, or some kind of a deep connection is there with this person, Scorpios. So let's see, for your career we have key. So it just means that whatever was the problem, or whatever was the reason for something not going well in your career, you are going to get that. So the answers, or the things needed, or the circumstance needed for success, whatever was missing, you are going to achieve that today, guys, Scorpios. So you can be happy for that. So that is the reading with these cards, guys, Scorpios. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose the second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.